So here is how we can hide the files inside of the iPhone. So let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started, right? So of course you can get inside the Files app and you can browse your local storage and see things like the PDF documents, right? Or some photos, files, whatever it is, and it's all visible very much. And we don't really have like the hidden folder in here, which would be like put away somewhere, but we have the ability to kind of like camouflage our files. So let me show you what I mean by this. I can see I have the scanned document right there, and if I want to make sure that this file is hidden and sort of doesn't exist, I have the ability to hold down on it and click on the rename, right? So you can see that it can rename the file and it can hide it based on the name, but even better would be to hold down on it and click on compress, right? So when I click on compress like this, it's going to turn this file into a scanned document.zip, right? So as you can see, this document got zipped up and it's basically the same thing, right? You can see it has been created at a 9:01. So the first thing on my list, the scanned document, has just been created and I have the file compressed in here. But what I can do right now is that I can hold it down on it and now I can click on rename, and I'm not going to rename just the file, but I'm going to change the extension, right? So as you can see, the zip extension is very useful, but I'm going to change it to something random, right? Like I'm just going to type in .info, which is, as I confirm it, it asks me if I actually want to use it because it's going to make the file sort of useless, right? But I'm going to click on use .info anyway. And right now I have a file which looks like this, which apparently has nothing in it, right? It's kind of like hidden the file, you know, there seemingly you don't know what there is. And if I just basically hold down and rename it again, I'm gonna just choose it to be something else, right? Let's see, I'm gonna type in text.info, and right now I have this file which doesn't do anything when you open it. You can see it doesn't work. You had no idea that there is any scanned document hidden in there. However, if I would want to access it, right, let me just put it somewhere into like a into this. Let's say I'm gonna put it into another folder in here. So for example, in here in Photoshop, right? As you can see, I have the text.info document, which hides some of my files. So if I want to actually get back to those files, I'm going to hold down on it, click on rename, and I change the extension back to zip, right? So as you can see, I'm going to delete the info and type in a zip, confirm it. It asks me if I want to do it again. And now it is a zipped file. Now I can tap on it and you can see that our scanned document has been revealed. So that's how we were able to hide our files and make sure that nobody else can see them. So that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it, you know, if you do it on your device. If you found it useful, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.